I'm here. I'm here. Oh, here I am. I also tried to spray my hair. It didn't work. It's a little gray. Anyways, hello. It is me. I posted the pics on Insta and Twitter. Yeah. It turned out way better than I thought. I didn't, I didn't realize like how detailed the inside was gonna be. I have so much stuff in me. Like, check this out. Ow. Ow. Look, I got some Coca-Cola. I got 2 different kinds of milk. I got orange juice. Pepsi. I got some vegetables. Unfortunately, no carrots. I got some ketchup and mustard. I got all sorts of... Who said mini fridge? What do you mean? Anyways, I wore this to Cutie's Halloween party yesterday and it was a hit. So many people came up to me and they're like, what are you? And I was like, I'm a fridge! Would you like a beverage? It was actually so fun to wear. Surprisingly, this is my favorite costume I've ever worn, ever. It was so comfortable. I was warm. People really liked it. Yeah, I think, you know what? I think I'll just be another appliance next year. Hello, Mika. Hello. Hello, good boy. Hello, good boy. It's comfortable. It's so comfortable. Very, very comfortable. And I like that I could just flash people.